Hello everyone. As we are done with our composition part, so today again we will pick up the topic from our grammar lessons to improve your language skills. Okay, so today we will pick up the topic pronouns. First, let us know what the pronoun is. You are familiar with and you very well know what the noun is. So before knowing the pronouns, let us know what the noun is or revise it once more. The noun. A noun is a word that names a person, object, idea or place. Now let us know what the pronoun is. A pronoun takes the place of a noun or pronoun, saving the need to write the noun twice. Understood, children? Noun, any naming word is a noun. So rather than repeatedly using that name, we replace that noun with some other word in a sentence, and the word which is replacing that noun, that is known as pronoun. Let us see the example. Let us ask Lena if Lena will help us. Now you can see Lena is being used twice. Okay, again you see, let's ask Lena if she will help us. Here you can make out, in place of second Lena, we have used she. So rather than repeating that noun Lena again and again, we have replaced that with other word she. So what is that? This word she which has replaced Lena is known as noun. Got it, children? So the word which replaces the noun in sentence or are being used instead of a noun, they are the pronouns. Now, pronoun-antecedent agreement. Now somehow you might got confused. What is this difficult word antecedent? Let us know. The word that a pronoun replaces or refers to is called the antecedent. You are replacing the pronoun with what? With that noun. So the noun with whom you are replacing that pronoun, that noun is known as antecedent of that pronoun. Okay. So the word which pronoun replaces, that word is known as antecedent. Okay. Example you see, here the nouns are being used with the blue ink and the pronoun with green so that you can identify. The tour guide showed the students where they could see Mayan pottery. Okay. Now you can see what is the noun? Students. And what we have used in place of students? They. Okay. So what is students? Students is the antecedent, because in place of students only we have used the pronoun they. Got it, children? So what is antecedent? That particular word in place of which we have used the pronoun. Okay. Another example you see, why did Oscar give his camera to the film school? Okay. Now what is the noun? Oscar. And what we have used in place of Oscar? His. So his is the pronoun, and what is the antecedent of his? Oscar. Okay. Another example, Doris scored a field goal. It was his first of the session. Now you see what is the noun? Goal. Okay. And what we have used in place of goal? It. So it is the pronoun, and what is the antecedent of it? Goal. Understood, children? I hope you are clear with antecedent. The word which is replacing the, okay, or the word whose place we have used the pronoun, that word is the antecedent. Now there should be agreement between the pronoun and the antecedent. Now again, what is this agreement? Let us see. Antecedent and pronoun must match in number, person and gender. How to do that? It means if your noun whose place you are using the pronoun, that is singular number, then your pronoun must also be in the singular number. If your antecedent or that particular noun whose place you will use the pronoun, if that is in plural number, then your pronoun must also be in the plural. If that noun, gender also you have to keep in mind, if that noun is a male, you will make the use of a pronoun which is being used for the male. And if that noun is a female, then you will make the use of a pronoun which is used for female. Okay, so you have to take care of these things. If your antecedent is singular, your pronoun will also be in a singular number. If your antecedent is in plural number, then your pronoun will also be in the plural number. And if your antecedent according to the gender, if it is a male, you will make use of the pronoun which is being used for the male. And if it is an female, you will make use of the pronoun which is being used for the female. Okay. One more example, children, that we will make use of, it is singular or plural. Okay. Suppose, but if your antecedent is compound, in place of that you will make use of one pronoun only. Then how to do that? The instructor and the sergeant have offered their help. Now you see your antecedent are compound too, instructor and the sergeant. Okay. And you have used the pronoun one only there because they are two, the instructor and the sergeant. Okay. But always you cannot do in the same way. Why? When each or every precedes the compound antecedent, the pronoun is singular. Here you have made use of the pronoun which is in plural because they are compound. Your antecedent are compound too. But next one you see, every boy and man look his seat. Here again you are having two antecedents, boy and man. But you have used his singular pronoun. Why? Because when that compound antecedent is being preceded by each and every, what is there? Every. So you will make use of the singular pronoun only, his. Got it, children? When your compound antecedent is being preceded or before that you are using every, then you will make use of the pronoun which is singular in number, right? Now this is from your exercise only. Underline the pronouns. So pronouns we will make use of red color and identify their antecedent in the following sentences. An antecedent we will just highlight it with the green and white color so you can differentiate what is pronoun and what is the antecedent. Does Tara know that she has to speak in the assembly tomorrow? Now you see here you are having the Tara. What is Tara? Antecedent. Okay. And what is the pronoun? She. Now she is used for whom? Tara. So Tara is the antecedent and she is the pronoun. Okay. Next one you see, Amir told Zubin that he enjoyed his singing. Now what is the pronoun? He. But whose place you have used he? Amir. So Amir is the antecedent and he is the pronoun. Okay. Before you buy canned juice, check its expiry date. Now what is the pronoun? Its. Now whose place you have used? Juice. So what is the antecedent? Juice. Okay. When my cousin presented me a little puppy, it was only a month old. Now, what is the pronoun? It. Whose place you have used this pronoun? Puppy. So, what is the antecedent? Puppy. I hope children you are clear with the pronoun and the antecedent. Okay. So, related to this, exercise 1 is there in your textbook. You do write this exercise very neatly in your notebook. Okay. By the time we meet in the next session, we will continue with this topic only. Until we meet, take good care of yourself. Okay. Thank you.